Steam Guard, Discord phone verification, Epic Games account locks. Every gaming platform wants your number before you can trade, chat, or even play certain games. Here's how to verify all three without touching your real one. Steam requires phone verification to trade items, use the marketplace, or recover a hijacked account. And once a number is linked, you can't easily unlink it from a second account. Discord locks you out of joining certain large servers and using direct messages at scale without phone verification. It's part of their anti-spam system. Epic Games ties phone verification to two-factor authentication for Fortnite and the Epic Store, and one number can only verify one account. If you run a second Steam account for trading, a Discord account for a community separate from your main, or an Epic account for testing, you hit the same wall 3 times. Steam first. SMS-MAN. Pick any country. Select Steam from the list. Copy the number. Paste it into Steam's phone verification field. Switch back. Code arrives in under a minute. Trading and marketplace unlock immediately. Same exact flow for Discord. Select Discord instead. Paste the number into the verification step. Code lands. Account verified. Large servers unlocked. For Epic Games, identical process under the Security Settings tab for two-factor setup. SMS-MAN. 190 countries from 1 cent. Link in the description.